Most people have no idea what to do in the first 24 hours after a car accident, and it costs them thousands. In fact, a single mistake can cost you up to $10,000 or more in lost compensation. Don't let that happen to you. If you've been in a car accident, this video is for you. You'll learn the step-by-step process of what happens after a car accident and how to navigate the complex world of insurance claims and medical bills. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to maximize your claim and get the compensation you deserve. Step 1. Seek medical attention. The first step after a car accident is to seek medical attention. Even if you think you're fine, it's crucial to get checked out by a doctor. Medical bills can add up quickly, with the average cost of a hospital visit being around $1,500. If you don't seek medical attention right away, you may lose out on up to $5,000 in compensation. Step 2. Document the accident. The next step is to document the accident. Take photos of the damage, get the contact information of any witnesses, and write down as many details as you can remember. This will help you build a strong case and can increase your compensation by up to $3,000. Step 3. Notify your insurance company. You'll need to notify your insurance company as soon as possible. They'll guide you through the process of filing a claim, but be careful not to say anything that could hurt your case. A single misstatement can cost you up to $2,000 in lost compensation. Step 4. Deal with the other driver's insurance company. If the other driver was at fault, you'll need to deal with their insurance company. They may try to offer you a low settlement, but don't accept it without consulting with a lawyer first. You could be entitled to up to $15,000 or more in compensation. Step 5. Keep track of your expenses. Finally, keep track of all your expenses related to the accident, including medical bills, car repairs, and lost wages. This will help you build a strong case and can increase your compensation by up to $10,000 or more. Conclusion. In conclusion, the first 24 hours after a car accident are crucial. By following these steps, you can maximize your claim and get the compensation you deserve. Remember, a single mistake can cost you thousands of dollars, so be careful and don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on car accidents, insurance claims, and personal injury. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below.